Alright guys, going to do a real quick walkthrough here of how to get through your study guide. First, scaling down method. We want to reduce this ratio in as many different ways as we can. I'll start by dividing it by 2. That'll get me 12 to 18. I could divide that by 2 again, which would be 6 to 9. I could come back to this and divide it by 3. That would get me 8 to 12. I could divide this by 2, and that would get me 2 to 3. Next we have a unit rate, and the unit rate is just price per t-shirt. So we do $418 divided by 38 t-shirts, and once we put that in our calculators, we divide the top by the bottom to get $11 per one shirt. Last one here, what's the better deal? We want to figure out if the brand 1 here or brand 2 is the better deal. So you got two 14-ounce bags or 28 ounces for $7.28. The other option that we have is 5 6-ounce bags or 30 ounces for $6.60. Normally when we do unit rates or better buy, we want to put the money on top. So if we do $7.28 over 28 ounces and then $6.60 over 30 ounces, we can actually see right now we're getting more ounces for less money here, but we'll figure it out just the same. This gets me 26 cents per ounce, and this brand is 22 cents per ounce. So this guy here would be our better deal. On the back side, we haven't really talked much about writing an algebraic expression. You actually won't be quizzed on that, but basically it would look something like this. She has X number of patterns, and that pattern has to be for blue plus white plus black. So that's what that would look like. To write the ratio of white beads to total beads, that's going to be W to 4 plus W plus B. Next we go to converting 25 kilometers per minute into meters per day. I'm actually going to turn our paper sideways here. So we've got 25 kilometers per minute, and we want to get to set our target meters per day. So there are 1,000 meters per kilometer. Just going to use the correct ones here. I'm not going to list them both. There are also 1,440 minutes per day. Minutes cancels minutes. Kilometers cancels kilometers. We're left with meters per day. And then we just multiply top times top times top. That's going to get me 36 million meters over 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 day. So 25 kilometers per minute is the same as 36 million meters per day. Next one, we've got a 64-ounce super duper big gulp. How many quarts of pop is in 64 ounces? So we're going to go 64 ounces divided by 8 gives me 8 cups. 8 cups divided by 2 gives me 4 pints. 4 pints divided by 2 gives me 2 quarts. So 2 quarts of pop are in 64 ounces. And the last one, we've got a turtle traveling at 5 feet per hour, and we want to know how many inches per day that is. We do 12 inches over 1 foot and 24 hours in one day. Again, I'm just listing the correct ones here. We cross out feet and feet, hours and hours. We're left with inches per day. And then we just multiply top times top times top. That's going to get me 1,440 inches. Bottom times bottom times bottom. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 day. So that's just a quick walkthrough of your study guide. If you have any other questions, please make sure you come in tomorrow morning.